Hey, what's up, besties? All right, so today I'm going to be giving you guys kind of a walkthrough of my evening routine, self-care day, whatever we're going to call this. Most likely I'm going to call it Friday night live self-care or something. I don't know, we'll find something clever. But as you guys know, like between moving and then moving happened, then basketball started, and y'all, it's been a whole thing. So what I realized is that now Friday nights need to be my night that I take care of not just myself but my house as well. But tonight I'm going to be doing more so like self-care. So self-care can be some household chores or things like that. It can be whatever it is that's going to make your life easier for you and make it better for you. That's what self-care really is. And I keep looking over there, sorry guys. Okay, so tonight I have a few things that I want to get done. I want to wash the hair underneath here, my real hair, okay? 2, I want to wash this wig because it's been a long week, y'all. It's been a really long week. I've had a whole lot going on this week. Hey, these are my fajas hanging up, y'all. It's a whole thing. I washed those. So that's one thing I did already. And then 3, I need to do my nails. And then 4, I want to sit back and kick it, finish watching Working Moms. I want to get caught up on that. Do you guys like watching like Netflix and stuff? Anyway, so I want to watch that. And then if I have some time, I want to do some laundry as well, get started on the laundry, because Saturday and Sunday again are filled with games sporadically throughout the day, where it makes it really difficult to get anything done other than trying to make sure you're here or there for the games, because they're always across town. It annoys me. So I've also been kind of a little stressed out the past day or so. You guys know I just recently purchased a car. Thank God that it was supposed to be certified, pre-owned, whatever. So when my brother checked it out or whatever, he told me there was something, check out the brakes, take it back up to him. I bought the package for the brakes, all that stuff. So anyways, we made an appointment so I can get my car brakes, the rotors, pads, all that stuff fixed on the front. They were just really worn out, and so they were embarrassed. You know, of course I had already paid for that package, that would have fixed it anyway, but they were just super duper embarrassed that they had even let the car go that far. So, you know, we're working things out that way. Everything's gonna be free. I don't have to pay anything, blah, blah, blah. So I'm also riding around in a loaner Audi, which is cool, but it looks exactly like mine. It's a Q5 and not a Q3. And I realize the Q5 is like, hey, we here, okay? This is a big deal. That vehicle is heavy. Okay, it's super heavy. And I'm like, okay, so it kind of stresses me out a little bit because you're in somebody else's car. So I'm trying to make sure, like, one, I get annoyed. I have masks in my car. I thought I was getting my car back. Turns out today, so that was Thursday, I dropped it off. I was supposed to get my car back yesterday. Today's Friday. I call back out there. They're like, no, we don't have it ready yet. We'll work on the first thing on Monday. I'm like, all right, so I guess I'm just gonna keep this car. It also takes premium gas. My car just takes regular unleaded. Okay, so your girl thought I was doing something, but it's cool because I could be with a different car. So I'm just trying to get over that, like, it's that feeling that I have. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get this night started. I've talked to you guys to death. I bought some items from off of Amazon that I want to do like a quick little try on for myself, because I have not been purchasing clothes for my new body type or whatever. And I told you guys the other day, I started loving on myself, and I'm like, okay, so the part of that is getting clothes that actually are going to fit and show it off with or without your faja. So let's go ahead and get into that. So this is outfit number 1. Hopefully you guys can see. So this is what I don't like, is like that this is still like kind of whatever, but I think it looks kind of cute. I feel like I would need a bra on, maybe that would help, but I don't know, you guys. I don't know. We'll see. I like it. I think it's cute. I think I can rock it. I think I can make it shake. I think it'll be cute. I just have to have more confidence. Like, that's the key to when people wear things like this. It's the confidence. And I think I have it. I just doubt myself. And I like this little thing because it kind of hides my little extra right there. But I think it's cute. I think I look good in it. Okay, let's try on this other one. Okay, this was definitely not made for the, that's these little things right there you're seeing are the pockets. kind of bulging like that. But this is not made for the big titty committee because, child, I am hanging. So I have to figure out how I can raise it up or what kind of bra I can wear with it. Y'all know I'm just starting to get comfortable. So yeah, there's that side view. Okay, she giving. The outfit is cute though. The outfit is really cute. I'm not a fan of all these tatas out like this, like just hanging. Like she hanging, like she ain't got nowhere to go. Like they need to be up, and that's why I want to get a breast lift so that they will go up, which will extend my torso, and then I won't feel so crazy. But I like this. I like the way the outfit fits. I like how it's loose. It's giving me vibes. It's doing it for me. What do you guys think about this one, the yellow? And I have some more coming. So these are just the first two that arrived, and I look crazy. So let's get started. So I'm about to get on the Peloton. So I went ahead. I was gonna go ahead and start my hair, but I was like, why not get a workout in first before I do anything else? So I'm about to do that. So I'm about to do a workout. That way I can sweat out everything and be done with it for today. So I'm not like washing it and then trying to work out later on, because I was like, oh, I'm gonna get on the Peloton. I skipped yesterday. I don't want to skip today, so because I don't know how the rest of the week is gonna go. So here we are. Let's get on our Peloton. Let's get on our Peloton.
20-minute 90s hip-hop ride on Envelope World. All right, in this ride today, we have a rolling hill. We got two.
Okay. Look. Let me catch my breath. Your girl has sweated it out. I have sweat my life out in 20 minutes. I burned 200 some calories. So good for me. Now I am ready to shower, which is where I'm going to wash my hair at, and then wash my wig at the same time. Y'all, pray my scruff. Look, come on, this glue want to be, today my glue want to stick on. It's actually, these lashes been on since last night, so I be trying to see, like, I don't want to yank them off and yank my lashes, but y'all, this glue is life. So these lashes are from, I keep looking over here, y'all, sorry, are from A. Marie Beauty. She has a YouTube channel here, and let me gather myself while I'm trying to talk to y'all. This Peloton band, if you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it does say Elaine Michelle, and then it has the Peloton sign up there. So this is like my motivation to get on the bike by putting it on. All right. A&B Lavish is where I got these lashes from. So if you guys are interested, I'll have a link down below so you guys can score some, and I have a discount code so you guys can save. But these are some of my favorite lashes, and she has all different sizes. Like, she got ones longer than this one. She has more natural ones. Like, she got it all, plus body care, skin care. Y'all, she's doing it, and I love it. It's all natural stuff. Now, let me get my life together. All right, y'all ready for this? Hopefully this comes off, because this was stuck yesterday too. And she's off. Okay, so that's one piece of the puzzle. And then now here's my hair, which has grown out a lot, as you guys can see from the roots is a showing, honey. The roots is a showing. So let me go ahead and get myself together. You could tell where I've put my glue at, and I've been out in the sun some, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take care of that. Alright you guys, so I have washed my wig. Now I'm just gonna go in. The other day I did the green mask, or did I do purple? Yeah, I think I did the purple mask. So it should be time for the eggplant one. And I just saw this on somebody's, I'm trying to think, where did I see this on? I saw it on somebody's Instagram and they were talking about it, but it's this eggplant mastic. It's supposed to be in there. Put it back in the dryer. It's to help the clothes dry faster. Alright, and I already I put some pre-poo in my hair a couple days ago, so yeah, there's that. But I'm about to go and wash it. It's been underneath a wig, so there's that. Let me go wash it and I'll show you guys what we're looking like after the wash. Okay, so we are done with getting our hair washed. And now I'm just about to part it. I'm gonna put my oils and creams and all that stuff in there. As you guys can see, I actually have a curl pattern these days. I haven't had a curl pattern like all of my life, I feel like, but now I actually have one. So there's that. And it is 8:57, so let me keep rolling this thing because I want to be somewhere in sleep heaven in a minute. The Mielle rice water collection, and I use the rest of my deep conditioner from her as well. This is a lifesaver. So if you guys don't have that, make sure you get some. This is the split end treatment, and I'm using my Mielle mint almond oil. And this is my favorite. This is the cream pudding. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start twisting my hair, I believe, and then see where that goes. I think I found the love of my life. All night, how you feel it when you least expect it? You can't reject that. That crazy little tingly feeling, pain in your chest, just that's all. I know it's scary, 'cause someone always get hurt when you're caring, and I feel the way too, but ready or not, it's coming for you. You feel that fire? Yeah. Alright you guys, so here's my face looking all ready to go. Hair done. Wig is waiting to be dry. I just spilled my drink. It must have been guy. I was like, you don't need no sweet tea and lemonade tonight, because I brought it in the room and my hand just like, I don't know how, like this little sleeve or something got caught up on the door and my thumb just went right through it. My hands are sticky, but I need to wash my hands. So it is 9:53. I have some press-on nails I can put on, or I can at least adhere, which I think that's what I'm about to do. I think I'm about to try to do that. I'm about to adhere my whatchamacallit, my nails to my nails, so I might have the clear ones for tomorrow and then paint them tomorrow. That's a sign of smartness. You better go, girl, with your bad self. Let me talk to myself, okay? Big ups to me.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go, 'cause I'm flying
Alright, you guys, so I have completed my list of things that I want to do for tonight. So I washed my hair, I washed my wig, I rode the Peloton, and I got my nails put on. I can put on the color tomorrow. I could have just went ahead, but I got a video to record, so I decided I would just wait instead of trying to do that too, because that just didn't make any sense. And so now I'm about to enjoy this, or probably go back to watching the mom show. Yeah, I'm about to do that. And then I'm going to bed, and all before, let's see if y'all can see. Come on, watch us. It's 10:41. So, excuse me. So 10:41, I'm getting into bed, and I have accomplished so much. I'm like, I even like wrapped my, like did my hair curl. Like, I'm so excited, y'all. So anyways, this was a good self-care night. The only thing I didn't get to, I wanted to try to touch some orders, but I'm just gonna do that tomorrow before I take Bubba to the game. I got like one that I want to ship out for sure, and then the rest I can just work on and have ready for Monday. So just try not to overstress myself and just really enjoy. So let me know how you guys enjoyed my self-care night. My face is looking, yes, like supple and just so ready for the, I used to didn't like my skin to be like really looking like maybe it was a little oily, but I really like it now looking juicy because I've seen it not moisturized. Anyways, I can talk all night, but I'm about to go, y'all. I love you guys in real life, and I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah! KK, bye. Take care of yourself, because you only got one you, and nobody else will do it for you. Bye.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing